All of you guys that may be interested in maybe converting these skills that you're gaining as a content creator into making that a job, let's talk about how you can make that happen. We'll cover this guy's example on Reddit, then I'm going to talk about myself, then I'm going to cover the other examples I highlighted at the beginning of this podcast and talk about how they marketed their skills and they converted their content creator skills that they're gaining every single day, making gaming content primarily, into lucrative careers up to being an executive making 6 figures per year. Let's just go through this wonderful post that this guy did on how Twitch landed me a job on the Twitch subreddit. There's 5,000 people on the subreddit right now. Here's the story. I've been streaming on various platforms for a few years now, and I'm nowhere close to having a large number of followers. If you put all my accounts together, it was close to 500. More recently, the world went to crap and I found myself with a lot more time to stream, and I lost my job before the pandemic. Does that sound familiar? When I was putting my resume together almost a year ago, I included all of the links. Here's the thing that you guys need to check out. I included all of the links to my video and streaming sites. I never thought anyone in the industry would ever actually watch any of them, and I was way wrong. Do you see this? This is from someone else that's not me saying this, okay? So the content that this Twitch streamer put on the internet ended up contributing to them getting a job. Okay, so because of the clips on their Twitch were there, the people that were looking at them to potentially hire them got a glimpse of their work ethic, they got a glimpse of their personality, and their outlook on life. All right, so today, when he posted this, marked the first day of his new job. His orientation starts in 45 minutes, and he just got a job. And he will be working as an engineer designing new products that you will probably be using over the next several months. This is not me saying that this happened. This is a testimonial from somebody who leveraged their online presence, their online profiles when they applied for a job, and it contributed to them having a better chance, them having an increased chance of being able to get a job. It's not just them, it's me, and it's all these other people combined. Let's talk about the ways that you can leverage the content that you're creating online, your Twitch streams, your YouTube channel, your LinkedIn profile, etc., for you to potentially get a job and for you to accelerate your career. Let me cover my example. There you go, Dusky Gaming can confirm. There's a great example in chat right now, Dusky Gaming in the house. Dusky Gaming is a great example of somebody who I discovered and one of my colleagues discovered as a YouTuber. He was a relatively small creator, relatively unknown, but we discovered him because he's a content creator, and we discovered his technical skills, his ability to put together live streams, to do online broadcasting, to manage social media, and to be competent in this digital space. Well, guess what? After seeing him as a YouTuber doing this, he now has a job, a full-time job with an e-learning company that's paying him good money to work from home. And it's because of his YouTube, his career, his streaming side of his life that he got discovered and then now scored a job. There's a direct line between that. How do I know? Because I hired him. That's Dusky Gaming right there in chat. Squad Track in chat right now in Twitch. Guess how I discovered him, and I hired him to be a part of this Awall digital business. He was a YouTuber that came to one of my streams, and he ended up talking about his channel, asking questions, and I discovered him because he was a content creator on YouTube. I saw his work ethic, and then I went and hired him. And I discovered him because he was a YouTuber. That is real. He is now making a salary each month. He's now getting his own apartment for the first time, upgrading his home studio. And this is all because of himself putting himself out there as a YouTuber and as a streamer and engaging with the internet and marketing himself in his personal brand. That's another example, Squad Track. These people are in live chat right now who have gotten jobs with me because they're a content creator.